We'll be working on an 8 by 10 inch canvas using acrylic paints in the colors orange, black, and yellow. So gather your paints and materials and then have your child or student follow along with this step-by-step video as I teach them how to paint. Let's get started. We're going to begin by painting our entire canvas orange. So take a wide flat brush and cover your canvas with a coat of orange paint. Coat the top, bottom, and sides as well. Then I want you to take a break and let it dry. Go have a snack or watch a short video. Parents and teachers, if you have a blow dryer on hand, it's really handy in speeding up the drying process. When your canvas has dried, take a round brush and load it with black paint. Draw a big black circle in the center of your canvas. The circle should not touch the bottom of the canvas. It'll look like it's hovering or floating about ½ an inch up. This will be the cat's body. Next, I want you to draw a thick black line coming up from the top right of the black circle. This will be the cat's tail. Next, draw 4 short lines coming out of the bottom of the circle. Draw 2 lines on the left and 2 on the right. The lines should be thick, but not as thick as the tail. These will be the cat's feet. For the next step, you'll need a round stencil brush. This brush has really hard, stiff bristles, perfect for making cat hair. You can find one of these brushes at your local craft store or by clicking the affiliate link in the comments section below. Dip your stencil brush in black paint and then go around the circle using short, fast strokes to drag the paint outward. See how it looks like tiny cat hairs? Now do this for the tail too. Next, take a small flat brush and draw 2 triangles on top of the cat's head. These are the cat's ears. Give those ears a minute to dry, and then take a clean brush, dip it into some yellow, and draw 2 upside down V's just inside the cat's ears. To make the eyes, we're going to use one of these small pouncer sponges. Dip the pouncer into some yellow paint and gently press it into the spot where you want the cat's eye to be. Do the same thing for the other eye. You can also find pouncer sponges at your local craft store or by clicking the affiliate link below. To make the cat's pupils, dip the end of a Q-tip into some black paint and then dab a black dot into the center of each eye. Then, take a thin pointy brush loaded with yellow paint and draw 2 whiskers on each side of the cat's face, right under each eye. Now you can be done with your painting, or you can add the word boo on it like I did. Let's take a look at our finished Scaredy cat painting. Doesn't it look great? You should be proud of yourself. You did a great job. And here's our Scaredy cat hanging on a wall. See, you can paint anything as long as you break it down into simple steps.